Hello guys, so my today's lab exercise practical motive is to how to delete a resource group. The first of all, in a very short period we will understand what is the purpose of creating a resource group. The resource group is just like a container, is just like a folder in which we keeps all our Azure cloud resources. So Azure cloud resources is it's like a virtual machine, it's like a disk, it's like VNets. So these are the examples of the resources. So that resources we have available on the cloud. But where we can keep all these resources like virtual machine, like virtual disks, like virtual networks like VNet 1, VNet 2, VNet 3, VNet 4. So these all virtual virtual resources where we can keep. So the location to keep all these virtual resources in the Microsoft Azure cloud is the resource group. Okay, so the resource group is the location where resource group is a location where we can keep all these virtual resources. So these all virtual machines we are keeping here in the location of the resource group, and VNets are the virtual networks. Like, so these virtual networks we are keeping here in the location. The location is the resource group. All the virtual disks we are keeping under the resource group. So we can say that the resource group is a location on the Microsoft Azure cloud which is containing the resources where we can keep all our virtual resources. So if we will delete this virtual resource, then all the virtual machine will be automatically get deleted, because the virtual machines are also kept inside the resource group, and all the VNets like VNet 1, VNet 2, VNet 3, VNet 4, all the VNets will also get deleted, because VNets are also inside the resource group. Disk 1, disk 2, disk 3, disk 4, all the virtual disks are inside the resource group. All the disks will also get deleted automatically if we will delete the resource group, right? So we have no need to delete the resources individually. That first of all we will delete the VNets, then separately we will delete the each and every virtual machine, then separately we will delete the each and every virtual disk which we allocated on the Microsoft Azure cloud. So we have no need to delete the resources individually, right? So if we have decided that we need to delete our resources, all the resources, so better to delete the resource group. Then it will delete everything, like all the virtual machine which is inside the resource group, it will get deleted. All the virtual disk, all the VNets, everything which is inside the resource group will automatically get deleted. So we have no need to take attention or headache that to delete every single resource individually. So after the deletion of the resource group, whatever the resources are inside the resource group will automatically get deleted. So we have a situation like a testing environment. You know, Microsoft Azure is giving a trial period for the 30 days. In that 30 days, Microsoft Azure is giving us a limit of 200 US dollar, right? 200 US dollar. So this limit is available for 30 days, right? So if we will keep, the resources running after completion of the practical, then the Microsoft will charge something on the hourly basis like that. But it is better and the safer side, after the completion of the practical, delete the resource group. It will delete your all the resources which is inside the resource group. So let's perform this practical with the help of my Azure web portal. So I have already a resource group with the name test1, and this test1 is containing all my virtual machines, virtual networks, disks, everything. So you can see here it is showing the test1-vnet. This is the vnet, and Windows VM1, that this is a virtual machine that I had created before. So it is containing all the resources. So if I will delete the resource group, then it will delete everything which is inside the resource group. For that purpose, what we need to do, we need to click on the test1. Okay, we need to click on the test1, then click on the delete resource group. Then it is asking to type the name of the resource group. So the name of the resource group is test1. Just I will copy from here and I will paste it here. Now my delete button is active. Now we need to click on delete. Now it started deleting the resource group test1. So I have to wait till the time my resource group has been completely deleted. Now you can look at the screen that it is showing a message, deleted resource group test1. So it means that test1 resource group has been deleted now. And just click on resource groups. You can see here the test1 resource group is not showing here. It is disappeared because it is deleted. So this is how we can delete any resource group from the Azure portal. So thank you for watching my video. I hope so the video is informative and you will appreciate my video.